Hi, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Flex your best angle. With Flex Mode, just unfold your mobile phone screen to your best angle for hands-free pics and video calls. Choose what you want to capture. Set it down. Stand back and shoot your best shot, a camera that goes steady. Thanks to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3's Super Steady * feature, you can just set it down and strike a pose for picture-perfect selfies. Ultra compact, ultra cool. Show off your style game without the trade-offs. With a compact design that unfolds, you don't have to compromise screen size for your favorite outfit. Array of colors. Whether you're into sophisticated neutrals or vibrant tones, you'll turn heads with every take. Complete your look with statement-making color choices of phantom black, lavender, green, or cream. Fast charging for fast living. Galaxy Z Flip3 smartphone charges fast so that all your moments last. There's a right time for downtime and a low battery signal, isn't it? Galaxy B2 charges fast so your moments last. Blast through a single charge with 15W fast charging. *. There's a right time for downtime and a low battery signal, isn't it? All your notifications, front and center. Control your cell phone, even when it's folded shut. Galaxy Z Flip3 notifies you on the external cover screen, so you can view notifications and check the weather. One screen, 2 apps. Launch 2 apps simultaneously, so you can take selfies while browsing gallery, watch movies while texting friends, and shop multiple stores at once, on the go.
Link to purchase in the description.